Greetings everybody, welcome. Today we are about to be exploring how to add loyalty program to Shopify. Let's just begin. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first, what you're gonna do is head over to your search on top and search in here for loyalty. And once we do that, I actually spelled that wrong. Let me fix that up. And you will be able to see that we have various integrations for loyalty. What I recommend is the Smile, or you can go for the Okendo reviews and loyalty. They have a free plan as well, so this one looks really solid. You have your sharing and caring, refer your friend and get 15% off, and this type of discounts that you can offer. So I hope this is going to be helping, and stay tuned for more, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.